In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Brevo account step by step. Setting up your Brevo account is incredibly straightforward, so let's dive into it together. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head to the Brevo website. This is your first step in creating your new Brevo account, and it's as simple as entering the web address into the search bar. Once you've reached the homepage, look for the option that says Sign Up Free and click on it. This will direct you to the registration page where you'll create your account credentials. Here you'll need to enter your email address and choose a secure password. Remember to use a password that's both strong and memorable, ensuring your account's security. Once you've filled out this form, go ahead and click Create an Account. This action will generate a verification email, so make sure to check your inbox for a message from Brevo. The email will contain a link to verify your email address, which you'll need to click to proceed. Don't forget to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the email right away. Now, if you prefer to streamline the process, you also have the option to sign up quickly using your Google or Apple account. This alternative method can be handy if you want to save some time. After your email is verified and your account is activated, Brevo will prompt you to provide some additional information. This includes your company name or website. If you're setting this up for personal use, simply enter your name. You'll then be asked to specify the industry you or your company belongs to. This helps Brevo tailor its services to fit your specific needs. Next, indicate the size of your company by selecting the appropriate option. These details give Brevo a better sense of who their users are, enhancing the overall experience. One final piece of information Brevo requests is your phone number. This is used primarily for account security, ensuring that your account remains safe and protected. To verify your phone number, Brevo will send you a verification code via SMS. Once you receive the code, enter it into the provided field to complete the verification process. The moment you've verified your phone number, you have successfully set up your Brevo account. Congratulations! You're now all set to explore and utilize all the features Brevo has to offer. Remember, getting acquainted with new platforms can sometimes take a little time, so don't hesitate to explore and make the most of your new Brevo account. Thank you for joining in, and we hope this guide has made your setup process seamless and straightforward.